Hello, my name is Alex Glebe, and I'm here to talk about a social curriculum instruction I designed for ASD and NEST in general education classroom settings. To start, why is social instruction important? Social instruction provides benefits for both students with high-functioning autism and students in a general education setting. Some of the benefits include providing skills that are needed to navigate the social world around them, improve school community, and reduce stress and anxiety for all students. Other benefits can include reductions in bullying and improve peer relations. To understand the curriculum, it is important to understand the four different aspects that are being taught. These are the social understandings. The social understandings include social awareness, social skills, empathy, and inclusiveness. Social awareness is thought to be an awareness of differences, social behaviors, and emotional understandings of others. Social skills are skills used to interact in different ways with different people in different situations. Empathy is thought to be emotionally and cognitively experiencing the experience of another without, however, losing oneself. And inclusiveness is thought of as including others where they might typically be excluded. All of these different understandings interact together to create a more well-rounded and sociable student. The first understanding taught is social awareness. The reason for teaching social awareness is it can lead to improved academics, higher graduation rates, and lower levels of depression and anxiety. In order to understand its importance, it should be related to the curriculum. Social awareness is an introduction to social understandings as a whole. It provides an overall understanding of what is being taught and allows for students to start to grasp the basic skills and create a foundation for social understanding. To teach it, it can be embedded through themes and readings in ELA and writing, such as through books that focus on social awareness and social understanding, and through writing practices where students relate their own personal experiences to real-world situations. It can also be taught explicitly through practice and observation of these different situations. The second part that is taught is social skills. Social skills are necessary for teaching social understanding because they provide students with self-management, relationship management, and improved peer interaction skills that help them to better create long-lasting relationships with peers as well as staff and family interactions. In order to relate it to the curriculum, the skills are thought to be used during and after instruction, and the application of lessons taught provides students with understanding of what the reasoning for social skills are. This can be taught through explicit skills training and observation, meaning that teachers can observe the skills being used in practice and notice that students' improved relations are a benefit of the instruction. One specific way in which to teach this is through social skills centers, in which students are broken into groups and traverse through several different centers around the room in which they practice different skills after completing several lessons on social skills and how to use them. The third understanding is empathy. Empathy is an essential part of social understanding because it provides improved social relations, improved school community, and it reduces incidents of bullying through students having a better understanding of each other. When students are taught empathy, they are able to relate to peers and understand the reasoning and actions that they have. Its relation to curriculum is that it deepens understanding of social teachings by providing a real-world understanding and real-world examples to students who may not fully grasp the idea of others' experiences relating to their own. It also provides connections to self so students can better relate and understand the purpose of being empathetic towards others. To teach it, explicit training through skills training and observation are continued to be built upon from previous lessons. It can also be embedded in texts and lessons as students must observe and discuss empathetic situations and themes in texts that they are reading in class. The final understanding is inclusiveness. Inclusiveness is an application of all skills and lessons taught. It creates lasting understanding of the skills that have been taught throughout the curriculum, and it provides students with real-world applications so they better understand the reasoning for it. Its relation to the curriculum is that it is a culmination of all parts of the curriculum taught. It requires social skills, social awareness, and empathy to properly apply to. It can be taught specifically through explicit practice of all the skills, observations of application in real-world scenarios, such as during lunchtime and recess activities. Below you will see a curriculum map in which you can see how the four understandings are taught in different, or the breakdown for the social understandings being taught throughout the curriculum. The first week is focused on social awareness to introduce the idea of social skills and social understanding to students. After this, social skills are taught so that students have a toolbox of strategies to use to practice these social awareness that they have been building. Empathy comes third as it is a deeper understanding of both the social awareness and social skills. And finally, inclusiveness is taught at the end to provide students with a chance to practice and actually understand deeper all of the different skills taught previously. So, to conclude, social understanding is an essential part for all students to understand to better prepare themselves for the real world. It provides students with many important skills to interact with each other, to better interact in a social setting, to navigate through the world, and to better work with one another. It is important that students understand that social skills are an essential part to being a well-rounded citizen and contributing member of society. Thank you.